Welcome to the channel, friends. So today's video is going to be covering this LUX PRO programmable thermostat. This is the P621 model, and we're going to be covering the factory reset as well as the lockout screen if you want to apply a lock feature to this thermostat. Now, let's get into first the factory reset. Now, you're going to want to pop off the back plate, and this is how you access the reset on this device. And you're going to be looking for this hardware reset button here. So once you click that, it's going to reset the device configuration, but it will not affect your program schedule. It will affect your time, though, so you're going to have to reset the time. But it's going to reconfigure the whole thing to default. So let's go ahead and press that. And now it's resetting. And the time is flashing and the day. So let's go ahead and fix that. Let's open this thing up, switch it over to daytime, and use the up arrow and down arrow to adjust your day. It's Sunday, and then hit next and adjust your time. And that's good to go. So we're going to flick back to run. And there you have it. Now you've been reset and you set your time. So now let's move along to how to lock out this device if you wanted someone to be able not to make changes no matter how many times they press the buttons. So that's very simple. So let's go back into this area here where we can access all these other buttons, and we're going to hit next 3 times and then hold once. As you can see on the screen now, a lock appears on the display. Now, to unlock it, it's the same thing, same sequence. So we're going to do next 3 times and then hold once. And as you can see, the lock disappeared and now we are unlocked. So that there is the simple way to lock and unlock, as well as factory reset your device. So like I said, the hardware reset is not going to affect your schedule that you have programmed in the device. It's only going to affect the actual hardware configuration. So if you had an issue with the thing was acting a little wonky and acting funny, go ahead and reset that thing. But anyways, that's going to be it for the video, guys. Please check out my other videos for full programming and the setup menu. And I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.